fry until the meat turns white.
How to turn white?
With a little bit of char. Okay, today we are doing our variation of a Pulao Biryani. Again, a dish that I learned overseas, but I put our own twist to it, Penang family twist. You need the 4 friends first. Sorry, use my left hand. Right hand is for the kin running. Curry leaf. Screw pine leaf. Onion paste. Ginger garlic paste.
Add in the chicken. Wow, the smell. The screw pine leaf. And then chicken masala.
Not too much, huh?
1.5 tablespoon.
Because we like it a bit spicy, we put a bit of chili powder.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Because the chicken is also marinated. This one is?
So it's cumin. No. Big jeera is fennel.
Big jeera.
Fennel.
Small jeera. No, just whatever. After we will put.
Cumin powder. Fennel powder. This one was fennel powder. Garam masala 1 tablespoon.
Add the onion water just now after you blended the onion.
Papa, I want to see.
See, no?
Mommy, wow, I like the chicken. Is it cooking biryani?
Pulao chicken.
Wow,
And
it tastes
green chilli.
it smells good.
And we let it cook for a while. I must add the tomato puree, Shanti. Don't put too much, huh? Little bit. And a little bit of oyster sauce. As I said, this is our variation. So if you have no oyster sauce, just omit. Tomato puree, not much, huh? Little bit. Or a tablespoon, 1 full tablespoon. If you don't have tomato puree, often, yeah. If you don't have tomato puree, you can use blended tomato, but don't use much. Just maybe 1 small tomato. Just to add that little bit of sour taste. Why? Huh? Very little.
But if you don't have oyster, okay.
Can. Because we are cooking in a wok, we must add some oyster sauce.
So just now we add salt already.
Oyster sauce very little, please, because it's just to give it a little bit of that Asian flavor.
Okay, the rose water was the.
The rose water was the secret ingredient that I mentioned at the beginning of the recipe.
Since we don't have the big cover, so we're going to cover this with the foil paper.
And then you need to put anything heavy on top, so it will retain the flavor inside. Now this is a bit different because we are using a wok. Okay, we don't have anything, so we put the salt dish on top. Is that okay, Mama?
No, I'll put the tumbo one.
The pestle.
I cook for 10 minutes only, no?
10 minutes simmer, low fire. Don't make a big fire.
Okay.
Okay, alright?
Sir, now we're going to.
Make a soft drink for Papa.
Reveal.
Down there got orange. Now the reveal time. Yes. You asked me to reveal, then நீ எடுக்கிற. Right, onion waste பண்ணு. Don't waste. Put it first. First all the onion first. Come here, please push. Wait, sir?
Okay.
New type, eh?
Yes.
There you go. Boy.
Now, must put a bit of this and then this. Okay?
So teaching out also got style.
You got style. So you put half. This one is the gravy and the chicken. And you must put a bit of this and then this.